Do you want to instantly change your Airbnb ranking without changing your price or getting more reviews? The secret is hiding in plain sight. It's your photos. And today I'm going to show you which photos perform the best, how to test them, and which ones drive you up higher in the Airbnb algorithm. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Garrett Brown, short-term rental investor and the BiggerPockets STR expert, and I have studied what makes properties go higher in the algorithm more than I am proud of. One of the biggest ranking factors that hosts do not consider is CTR, click-through rate. See, Airbnb is just an interest-based algorithm. It's similar to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. When you're scrolling on Airbnb, the thing that you're more likely to click, Airbnb is going to notice it. The property that you stay on for longer than another one, Airbnb is going to notice it. Anything that intrigues interest from somebody scrolling on it, Airbnb is going to reward that property just based off of this interest being shown. CTR is just a fancy way of saying how many times did somebody click on your property versus somebody else's. If people scroll past your listing without clicking, you will drop in the ranking over time, even if you have a great property and 5-star reviews. The first step is making sure you have the right photos for your property. I am tired of seeing $1 million, $500,000 listings, anything in between or below, using iPhone photos. At the least, you should be hiring a real estate photographer to capture your Airbnb. But the real secret sauce is when you find a specific Airbnb photographer that understands what is needed to be shown in these type of photos. Typical real estate photographers have very high exposure on photos, very wide angles. They don't hit the warmth that is needed for some of these Airbnb style photos. They don't highlight some of the amenities that people are particularly looking for, coffee maker, the kitchen, what maybe supplies you may have. And they also usually don't go that extra mile to light the fire pit or turn on the string lights. These are things that are going to set your property apart, and finding the correct Airbnb style photographer is crucial. We have analyzed which photos tend to perform better out of all the different style of photos that you can do, and we have narrowed it down to 10. The highest performing photo is a twilight photo. Usually you can add this on top of your package with any kind of photographer that you have for very minimal cost, so they'll have to stay between sunset and any time around there where the sun is just barely peeking over the horizon. This is usually a dusk photo with warm interior lights that are glowing through the windows, and even bonus points if you get one with a drone. The second photo is a string light and hot tub photo. This is not cliche. String lights are one of the cheapest amenities you can add to a property that will dramatically enhance the photos, especially around twilight photos. If your property does not have a hot tub, you better have some type of string lights. But if you do have a hot tub, which most markets now at this point, it's almost a mandatory to be at the top performing list of any Airbnbs. But having that photo with the view, string lights, and the hot tub lit up at night, chef's kiss. Number 3 is the drone golden hour. These are aerial shots at either sunrise or sunset before it gets to that twilight phase where the warmth of the sky is just starting to draw down and you see some different orange and still the brightness coming from the golden hour. These are huge for beach houses and cabins in the woods. The fourth photo is the exterior looking up photo. And when I say this, there's an angle that a lot of photographers will capture where the property is higher than the lens. They could be laying on the ground or standing at that point, but they tilt it up and it is a look up style photo. I'm not sure exactly why these tend to perform so well, but this style of photo is continuously at the top of the Airbnb algorithm. The fifth photo is a wide-angle living room photo. A bright and clutter-free living room photo or living space photo will be able to show the guests the warm welcoming that they'll have inside and what they'll be able to expect as they are usually families are booking these properties, couples, friends getaways. They need a nice cozy interior space to chat and eat and gather, and you highlighting this with a wide angle will help them imagine where exactly they're going to be. Number 6, the view shot. Whatever your best view is from your property, this is when you highlight it. It could be with a drone, it could be from the balcony, facing over something, it could be from the front porch. Whatever the best view you have, this needs to be highlighted in your photo shoot. 7th is the color contrast photo. These are when your bright green trees will balance off well with a clear blue sky. You have your different style of property with some different color accents in it on the outside for an exterior. You want a lot of contrast coming through in your photos that help to draw an emotion and an intrigue from guests as they're looking at your photo. Drone shots. You need as many aerial drone shots, especially ones that are in nicer landscaped areas or have beautiful scenery around them. Drone shots are one of my favorite, but it's even better to get a drone video as well to make sure you have enough video content to make going forward for your social media and different websites. Number 9 is the local area feature. If you're near jet skis, if you're near a state park, if you're near a lake, if you're near some of the better dining options in the area, highlight whatever the local area is around you, so that way guests can really start to understand what they're going to expect during their stay. And 10th is the amenities shot. Make sure any amenities that you have inside of your unit, coffee makers to the kitchen supplies, to the hot tub, to a sauna, to anything that you're supplying in there, make sure they are highlighted very well. Even some of the mundane things you would think of, like a washer and a dryer for laundry. These may not necessarily rank you higher in the algorithm, but it will keep guests on your property longer and also make them more likely to book, which all rides into the interest-based algorithm, because in the end, Airbnb wants conversions from the first time they see your place, which is called an impression. So now that you have your photos, how do you exactly get people to click them? The first photo will stop them scrolling, but the second through fifth photo is what's going to make them book. Most people never make it past the fifth photo because of how Airbnb sets up your listing whenever they click into it. They'll see your hero image, which is your first image, which we will go into testing methods very shortly. But after that, number 2 through 5 do not need to be the same exterior photo, just from a different angle. You need to highlight the best part of your property, so that way people may look into clicking more of the photos and they'll hit the view all method within Airbnb. A lot of guests will click into a listing, see the first 5 photos, possibly bounce to another one, check those out and start hearting them and listing ones that draw them in immediately. So highlighting your best 5 features within those 5 photos is crucial to get an even bigger conversion rate. But how do you know which one is actually working? There are quite a few tests that you can do to see what is changing within your algorithm base and how it's performing on Airbnb. The first is use Airbnb's tools they have within the platform for hosts. They have different analytics tools to show you your impressions, your click-through rate, different analytics that you could use as key metrics within how your property is performing in the algorithm. And you can make slight tweaks and adjustments just there and then go back and review it a week or 2 later to see if anything has improved. Look at it from a holistic view as well to see month over month and year over year. Small subtle changes will give you the clarity you need to know if a photo is performing better or not. Airbnb also has an option when you go into your photos on the listing that may allow you to rearrange your photos based on what they consider the best ones. Usually these are ones that people stay on longer, click more, or seem to have a higher retention rate for Airbnb. Not every time will I agree with their rearrangement that they put if those photos are the best, but it will give you an idea of what is actually performing through Airbnb's algorithm. And they'll blatantly tell you these are the ones that are doing the best on our platform. You also can run a poll on your personal or your business Instagram through different photos to see which ones people are just regularly picking and get some more anecdotal information and not as hard of data to decide which photos may stick out to, random people on your social media. And the last method is using a software like IntelliHost or RankBreeze that you can do specific A/B testing. They have a lot of different data within their platforms, and over time you'll be able to get a feel for which changes have actually led you to being boosted in the algorithm from a third-party site that is collecting different data points and really has found a niche that is helpful for short-term rental investors that hasn't been around for too long that people can take advantage of. My last tip to get higher in the Airbnb algorithm, which is my favorite one of all and most people underrate, is to make sure you are putting alt text descriptions for each photo and that not only align with the different categories within Airbnb, but also play into the AI algorithm that they have. Airbnb uses an AI generated algorithm now to search through listings to scrape information to see which categories different properties will appear in. So if you have an outdoor space, putting out your games, your cornhole, checkers, any hula hoops, any type of games that you may have on the outside, these photos should be out and about. And then in the alt text description, you should say something about play outside with our board games with an amazing view. This is going to hit a few different categories that the AI algorithm will pick up between play, which is a category. They will also analyze the photos and see games within the photos to rank you higher in that play algorithm. But then the amazing view words will also trigger it to possibly include it in the amazing view category. I could go on for hours about the Airbnb AI algorithm. So if you want a more detailed video, let me know in the comments and I can dive into it even more. But that was just a quick synopsis of the one thing that people truly underestimate with their Airbnb listing is that it is an algorithm like any other social media platform. The highest performing properties get the most engagement, and your photos are your biggest form of engagement on there. If you have made it all the way to the end of the video, please subscribe to Bigger Stays and like the video and leave us a comment. We truly appreciate everybody watching, and I think YouTube wants you to watch one of these videos now that's popping up. See y'all next time.